Stop scrolling for a moment. Think about the last 3 videos you watched online. Statistically speaking, by the end of this year, 2 out of those 3 will be completely fake. This isn't just a wild guess, it's a sign of the times. The internet you know is changing, and the line between what's real and what's generated is blurring fast. As you scroll, remember, not everything you see is what it seems. The age of digital deception is here, and it's only getting started. We are stepping into what experts call the dead internet era. Predictions say that by late 2026, a staggering 90% of all online content will be AI generated. This isn't just about deepfakes or funny memes. This is about the entire fabric of the web being rewoven by algorithms. Imagine scrolling through your feed and realizing almost everything you see, read, or hear could be the product of a machine, not a human. The implications are massive, and the shift is happening faster than most people realize. This isn't just a statistic, it's a total collapse of reality as we know it. Are you ready for the truth? Every photo you see, every viral leak, every breaking news clip, it's all becoming a mathematical hallucination. The AI models aren't just getting better, they're becoming indistinguishable from human consciousness, and they're hungry for your attention. Why is this happening? Because AI can create perfect content designed by algorithms to trigger your brain's deepest dopamine hits. The scary part: most people have no idea they're being played by a machine. Your favorite influencer, they might just be a digital puppet, that heartwarming story you shared. It could have been written by a GPU sitting in a server farm somewhere. If you don't learn how to spot the lies right now, you're basically a passenger in a simulation you never asked for. The internet is becoming a stage, and the actors are no longer human. The only way to protect yourself is to stay informed and skeptical about what you consume. So how do you survive in this new world? Rule number 1, check the physics of life. AI still struggles with the messy stuff. Look at the hands in photos. AI can't quite figure out how 10 fingers work, so watch for extra digits or melted skin. Next, check the lighting. Does the shadow match the sun? AI often forgets that light has to come from a single source. Pay attention to the background. Buildings might warp or trees could look like liquid if you look closely. And finally, listen to the voice. Is it too perfect? Does it lack those tiny human imperfections?